Do you guys need to change your entire Windows display language to your native tongue or learn a new language? Here's how to download and change your system language in Windows 11. Just open up the setting from start and go to setting. From here, you will need to click on time and language and click on language and region. And right here, we only have like English United States as selected, but you can add a language by clicking on add a language. All right, now from here you can choose any language that is native to you. For me, it's Nepali. I'm just going to apply this and click on next, and you can install this by clicking on install button, but you will need to sign this out once you guys have downloaded and installed this pack. This will take some time, so just wait and chill some coffee right now. We have finished downloading the language pack, and yeah, it's still downloading the basic typing. This is going to be applied for your notepad or whatever that you guys wanted to type in. All right, now to select your language, you should do is you need to drop this from English to Nepali or whatever language that you guys wanted. So now you can see that Windows need to sign you out in order to apply your display language, but some of the application, it should already take effect. As you guys can see that my photos and notepad pens, it's taking effect over there already. Now if I sign this out, my all full desktop will be blown with this native language. So yeah, I don't want to do that since I am recording video. I'm just going to show like this is how you guys can change the original native language on your Windows 11. So if this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. All right, thanks so much for watching.